Hey guys, I want to do this video to talk about retirement planning and so forth. So specifically around the retirement age, usually it's 59 and a half that the government has said most people can start getting their retirement monies without a penalty. So let's get into that. They really want you to withdraw from your IRA and other retirement plans after you get to age 15 and a half. And so to deter you from doing so, they've imposed a 10% penalty on top of the regular income tax in cases where the retirement plan is tax deferred. Okay. But what if you want to access the funds before 15 and a half? What if you want to get the money out before that? Well, you could be in luck. Over the years, Congress has passed numerous exceptions to the penalty rules. And then in late 2022, they came up with the Secure Act 2.0, okay, which added even more ways to take the money out penalty-free. Okay, not tax-free, penalty-free. Again, the penalty is 10%. Now, here are a few exceptions in place before the Secure Act came into being. No penalty will ever be due on early distributions from your 401k or qualified plans if you leave your job and turn age 55. Okay, or older, of course. But this does not apply to IRAs, traditional Roth, SEPs, and so forth. No IRAs, they don't come into the picture there. Here's a major exception. Relatively few people actually take advantage of. You can withdraw funds penalty-free from your IRA before age 15 and a half if you take substantially equal periodic payments for at least 5 years or until you reach age 15 and a half. Okay. So 5 years or age 15 and a half, you could start taking out your IRA, but starting 5 years before you get to that age, okay? You basically calculate this under the assumption that you will withdraw your entire retirement plan either throughout your life or throughout the lives of you and your beneficiaries. There are ways to calculate withdrawals. It can be complicated. Also for withdrawals by employees from qualified plans other than IRAs, the exceptions apply only if an employee separates from service. You may withdraw any amount penalty-free if you become disabled before age 15 and a half. The law allows penalty-free withdrawals to pay for medical expenses or medical insurance, but only to the extent it exceeds 7.5% of your AGI. Essentially, when you itemize deductions, you have to, in order for you to get medical expenses as a deduction, as an itemized deduction, they have to exceed 7.5% of your AGI. So I think that's where that's coming from. You can withdraw penalty-free up to $5,000 to pay for birth or adoption expenses. So if you're having a child, adopting a child, you can take money out penalty-free, not tax-free, penalty-free to pay for those expenses. You can also withdraw your money penalty-free from your IRA, traditional SEP simple IRAs for the following other reasons: to pay for higher education expenses, to pay for medical insurance if you become unemployed, to purchase or build a first home for yourself or certain family members, subject to a 10% lifetime limit. Guys, if you liked what I had to say, I'd appreciate you liking it, subscribing, and sharing it with people who may need this knowledge, okay? But before I go, I want to tell you something else. I'm hosting my next webinar on April 1st at 7 p.m. Again, titled How to Protect Yourself from the IRS and Resolve Your Tax Debts. You can get free tickets for this event, which will be held on the 1st of each month for the next 4 months, starting March 1st. Click the URL in the description of this video to get the free tickets, or just go to Eventbrite and search for my name, W. Scully CPA PC. Guys, thanks very much, and I appreciate your time. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.